Look at that shred. It doesn't get much better than that. This slow cooked shredded Chipotle beef is simply one for the books. So easy to make, tastes incredible, also great for meal prepping. First things first, we're gonna prepare the braising liquid. The full details are in the caption, blend it up and set aside. Next, we're gonna take our chuck roast, pat it dry, season it heavy with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. We're gonna sear it on both sides for a few minutes to build that beautiful crust. Now that it's looking good, it's ready for the crock pot. Now all we gotta do is for 4 to 6 hours. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I 10 out of 10 recommend this one. So damn good. Give it.
If you have teenagers in your house, you're going to want to make these taco crunch wraps. So grab a large wrap and you're going to add some sour cream, mix some taco mince, and then I use some chili Doritos because they're the favorite in this house. Some salsa, guacamole, cheese, some jalapenos. Then you're going to place a small tortilla on top. Then you're going to wrap that thing is squashed inside. Then throw that onto a dry hot pan. Toast it on both sides until the cheese is melted in the center. Then it's all lovely and gooey and delicious. It's yummy. It's so good. They'll be very impressed.
We keep seeing their eyeballs glued to us on the sidewalk, but that look could kill. Oh, they are trying so hard to find all the weaknesses inside, but it's gonna spill. Oh, can we take a minute, turn and face the critics? Let's put flowers in our hair like we don't care. And dance until it's clown moves. Nobody's stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me, and making it laugh with your moves. Ain't no stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me, and we can clown around, yeah. And we can clown around, and it's just you and me. Oh, you and me are a vibe, girl. Disco, some fun like one of a kind, girl. Till morning's here. When opinions start to guide us, we won't let them define us. No, we'll play it by ear. And I know that you're shy, but we can clown around tonight. You know the circus leaves town when it's light, and dance until it's clown moves. Nobody's stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me, and making it laugh with your moves. Ain't no stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me, and we can clown around, yeah. And we can clown around, and it's just you and me. Now it's your turn to clown around and take